All rise. The Honorable Judge Williams is now presiding. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we have a case against the defendant, Richard Harvey, for replicating, transcribing, and translating illegal DNA. Now, Mr. Harvey, will you please explain to us what happened on that November day? Why, of course. It was November 17th, 2011, and I was in my lab late at night, analyzing and inspecting strands of DNA and looking at what was wrong with them because they have cancer in their gene pools. Thank you, Mr. Harvey. Next witness, please.
Hello, my name is Arnold Smith, former friend of Richard Harvey. And one night I stopped by the lab and looked inside and went into the closet. But I was too soon to see Tin Man lying on the ground, lifeless. He'd always said that he wanted to be in control of things, and I suspect him of creating these men with illegal strands of DNA by replicating, transcribing, and translating the DNA of the cancer patients.
Why, thank you, Mr. Smith. Could you please explain these processes to me?
Of course, replication takes place when there's a single strand of DNA that is split apart by the protein helicase. Then the protein polymerase III comes in and replaces the missing half with an exact copy of the DNA. Then there is transcription, which is the exact same as replication, except that in transcription, the DNA is split by the protein helicase. Then polymerase III replaces it with a strand of RNA. In RNA, thymine is replaced with uracil. Lastly, translation is when there is a strand of mRNA that is paired with a strand of rRNA that come together to create a polypeptide that then goes into the cytoplasm.
Fine, I'll admit it. I was illegally using DNA in order to gain power over my long-lost friend Arnold. Even though he was always better than me, I wanted to be better than him. Officer, will you please take him into contempt?